Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling a common issue with how to fix add-on not working in a Stremio. So guys, just simply stay tuned as I guide you through on how to fix this issue. So for the first one guys, is just simply go ahead and go to add-on over here. So guys, from here you will have three options. You will have official add-on, community add-on, and your own add-on that are installed into your application. So guys, official add-on is the recommendation of Stream.io. So these add-on are all safe, and community add-on is for public use. So it will be depending on you, because this is just people uploaded add-on into the Stream.io, and most of them are not really trusted. So just do your own research on adding a community add-on. But guys, if you ever have an issue on your add-on, I recommend just simply reinstalling the add-on. Just simply go ahead and uninstall an add-on. Let's say I'm going to uninstall this open subtitle. And after that, I'm just going to install it back again. And now another option that you have is just simply go ahead and go to your settings and go to shortcuts. And from here, you should have an option reload app. So in order for you to reload the app, just Control Shift and F5, and you should be able to refresh the application. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.